The most important thing to understand when we want to choose the best ventilator device for our ICU is that we should not focus mainly on technological problems. The best thing to understand is that when we want to choose the best ventilator for us, we may mainly focus at least on ergonomy in an attempt to decrease the error and to improve safety of our patients. So we just developed a global ergonomy model evaluation, just taking into account 4 different dimensions, taking into account the ease of use, the tolerance to error, the engagement of the physician with the task, and of course the efficacy of the device. And taking this into account, we are quite convinced that we can choose the best device for us.